Welcome to Computer World. In this video, we are going to learn one of the most important topics in Java. Before I take that, I will teach you a small thing. It's how to write a comment in the Java. We write a double slash for a single line, and for a multi-line, we are write slash with a star. Length method returns how characters are in the string, like that. Start from number 1 means the first character in the string variable take the number 1, and the all take the number 2, and the I take the number 3. Also, the space are count in this method, like that. If we have a space with the name Ali, we have number 4 in the result. char80 method returns the characters at a specific position. The second character is L. Why? In this method, it starts from number 0. Opposite of length method. In the length method, we start with the first character with number 1. But in this method, char80 method, we start with the first character with a number 0. Let's try to put 0. The character is A. The third method is index of method. Tells you where a specific word or letter starts, like that. And we say the result is 0. It's also start from number 0. The first character have a number 0, and the second one take the number 1, and the third take the number 3. Also, we have two uppercase method, and also we have two lowercase method. They have the same process, but they differ in the size of the letter. The result will be all characters are uppercase, but in the lowercase it could be string variable, and also it could be the print, and change the upper to lower. Make some character are upper or capital to see the result. Delete that, and the result will be all characters are small. A trim method is removes spaces at the start and the end of the text, like that. We see Ali without spaces. Substring method takes a part of the text between two positions. We need from the to go. The number of the T of the we must count from M0. If we need to start from a specific letter to last letter, it is not necessary to write the last number of letter, like that. The result will be number 9. The result will be the go. We need from a specific letter to a specific letter, we write column, and for example 12. The result will be that. A concat method joins two strings together. and the result will be Hassan Ali. We reach to a last method is replace method. Replace method is replace one word or letter with another. And we need to replace the Messi to Ronaldo. We have two ways to make that. The first way is make another string variable and name anything any equal to the first string variable and dot replace right Messi Ronaldo, and we print the second string variable. The result will be Ronaldo is the GOAT. The another way to print the all of process like that. So cut that and put Ronaldo is the GOAT. Last thing, we have a question. Before I answer it, try by yourself to answer the question. Let's go to answer this question. The first step is make a string variable include a sentence of your name and what your hobby and what your favorite food. The next step, display the number of letters in the sentence. The third step is use a method that take only two words and print it. I am forget that, but I will explain it. If we use substring method, the next number is don't show the character of the next number. It take the letter before it. Number of the L is 15. If we write 15, the result will be comes in football without double L. The number of space is 16. It take the L comes in football double L. Use the method that remove the spaces and display the sentence. If we make a space in the first and the end of the sentence, make so sentence dot rem. It will be without space in the first and the end. Display the character of number 3. Make so the character of number 3. Call the sentence dot char at char 80 and we put number 3. The character will be M. The question 6 is display the number of any character. Make out call the sentence dot index of we write any character. We put the quotation mark and run is number 2. Number 7. Replace your food with egg and display the sentence. Make out call the sentence dot replace pizza with egg and display comes in football egg. Number 8. Make all words uppercase or lowercase and display the sentence. Make also south sentence dot to uppercase that. And it is all character is capital letter. The number 9. Make string variable of the best channel is comes in and concat with your sentence. Number 10. Don't forget to make a comment of all the steps. We finish this video and finish the question. Thanks and goodbye.